This is the day that we have been waiting for. Villain Con Minion Blast is finally open. We brought the minions with us to experience this new attraction, and today we're going to see Minion Land in all of its entirety. But first, before we do that, let's have a moment of silence for the one who made all this possible, my boy Shrek. Rest in peace, my friend. Let's do this.
I mean, there's not too much to digest for the outside portion. We haven't been inside yet, but I really like the little cartoons that they're playing, and the fans. Oh my gosh! I almost just fell over again. The fans feel so good. Like, I didn't think that they would make that much of a difference, but oh my gosh, they feel so good.
Always leave seat up.
Yeah, I've never seen that before.
Ooh. You want to blast a few of these guys while you're in there? I wouldn't stop you.
You had fun? All right.
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, it's a nice little addition to the park, so we'll talk more out there.
So, my thoughts on Villain Con. I will say I liked it a lot more than I thought that I would. I really like that instead of just having straight screens, there are a lot of set pieces that they did add to the right that just enhance the overall experience. It really helps really immerse you into everything. My youngest, she's 2 years old. She couldn't hold the gun. It was way too heavy for her. I think they said the gun is like 3 to 5 pounds. It's pretty heavy for a 2-year-old. She wanted to reach for it. She wanted to hold it. She tried, but I ended up having to take it over. So when we did child swap, what they offered us was like a very small, like a child-sized gun. Now the child-sized gun, they said, doesn't actually work, but for somebody like her that's not going to be shooting and pointing anyways, it actually does make them feel like they're doing the experience along with everybody else, but they can actually hold it. Now, it's not open for technical rehearsal, but they said it will be open when the attraction officially opens. So if you guys have young ones that can't hold on, that's something to look forward to.
For Sunday, it feels pretty busy, but I think it also has a lot to do with, new ride opening up, everything like that. So we're going to go and head over to Freeze Ray Props and try out some flavors that we didn't get last time. Now, we have a video where we went into Minion Cafe, tried pretty much everything. So we're not going to do that today, but we're going to be trying a few of the things that we didn't get to last time. And if you want to find that video where we went to Minion Cafe, you go ahead and click on it. We'll leave a link in the description box below.
I heard the blueberry banana was good, and I heard the cotton candy one was good, so I think I'll leave it up to the kids and see which one they want to go with. I think I know which one they're going to pick between the two, though. Aria, you want cotton candy or blueberry lemonade? No. We got that one last time. Let's try something different. Cotton candy or blueberry lemonade?
Well, the minion wants the minion, so she'll get that.
Okay. Popsicles for the teething baby is a win. You would probably love this. I wish it was see-through so I could see what they look like.
We've got the goods, and now we're going to we changed our mind. We're actually going to head to Minion's Cafe to sit down. It's about to rain, so we're going to get some shelter and get out of the storm because it's about to get ugly.
We weren't intentionally planning on coming to Minion's Cafe today, but it started raining and storming outside, of course, which is Florida. So we figured we would just come and try some of the things that we didn't get to get last time. And I heard that the ropa vieja was really good here, so I'm excited to try this. Like, everything about this dish just looks and it smells so good. So let's see how it tastes. The rice is pretty good. The meat is the one that I really want to see. The meat has so much flavor. Like the rice by itself, it's like, it's okay. It's especially, all right, for a theme park, this rice is really good. It's really good for a theme park. But this meat, that's the star of the show right here.
So what I have here is the meatball.
Surprise?
The meatball surprise? Yeah, it's
no idea.
it's a surprise, all right. I like how the plate has the marinara sauce all over it.
So like, it's either that or the minions didn't clean the plate too well.
Yeah, it's almost like they just dropped it on there. See how this tastes. I wish I tasted more pizza, but the meatball is actually pretty good. I'm surprised about that.
So do you like your dish better or mine?
Yours better. It's helpful too. A nice cultured rice dish with some vegetables and beef versus
Alright, since it's raining, I think we're gonna go ahead and jump on Despicable Me since we're having a whole Minions Day anyway, so let's get out of this rain. I've never had this happen before, so we just got off the ride and they are having like some kind of dance party. So Gru and the two older sisters, Edith and Margot, they met us right outside the ride and they pulled us over to come and dance with them, and it was the cutest little dance party.
another overall successful day. We finally made it to Minions Land. It is completely finished. Now, there's still technical rehearsals, but I mean, it's pretty much open. The Minions, the kiddos, they loved it. Ari, it's funny, she actually said, wait, this is a game, not a ride. That's pretty much what sums it up. It is a game, very much like Toy Story, Midway Mania at Disney, but I will say it is a welcome addition to the park. Yes, you have to stand up, but I think we waited literally, I timed it like 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So not even.
And it said it was a 45-minute wait.
Yeah,
so.
it was, a very nice attraction. Nothing too crazy. I wouldn't expect too much from it, so check your expectations, but Universal is definitely cutting away at our hearts when it comes to the family space. They are doing all the right things. So we'd love to see you on the next one. Thanks for checking this out. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching Villain Con.
And if you guys like this video, please like this video, comment, let us know what your thoughts are, and subscribe.
And subscribe, yes. See y'all later.